I've set up this laser fence along, we have a very short fence along our beach front, and you can see here's the device that rings inside. I've got it set up on either side of the beach, just above the fence, a few inches. And so if someone goes over the fence, or if a dog goes over the fence, or someone goes through the gate, it will set off an alarm. And so the alarm sounds inside, and so we hear this, and it also goes to my Apple Watch because I've got it hooked into Alexa. This isn't something that's built into the device, but something that's pretty easy to add just by adding a little, like a door sensor, because out of the back of this, I think you can hook up 4 of these laser fences. So you could theoretically have it go all the way around your property. And then you can, out of the back of this, tie in these sensors, and you just change it essentially. Instead of knowing that the door is closed, it knows that the beachfront laser is closed. And if the door or laser were to be broken, then it sets off the alarm. And so this is a great system. I also have it set up to turn on the lights outside in the yard if it is nighttime. But great system. It has 3 lasers in it. So just, a bird flying through doesn't set it off. We haven't had any false alarms. Actually, in the beginning, we had some curtains that were set up very close to the fence, and that was setting it off. But once we knew that, we tied back the curtains. Otherwise, this system has been great. We've had it for just over a year. I had someone build these kind of metal shelters so that there's not as much spray from the beach or from the ocean, and also so that it's a little bit more protected so people don't necessarily see it. Of course, if someone were to mess with it, it would set off the alarm because the beams would no longer be touching. But this is a great system. I'd say the sensors are about 100 feet away from this box here, and they are 60 feet is the dimension across our beach.